So guys, it is Leopard Mouse today, and I'm on Animal Jam because there's some new news. Kangaroos are back. Let's see what else they have. New adventures. Ooh, maybe we'll try one of the adventures. Proving grounds, hidden balls. Ooh. Masterpiece on your jammer wall. What? Schoolhouse party. Ooh. New party. Wind armor. Oh, traveling Arctic foxes. So sad. Oh, meerkats. Pet meerkats have come to Jamar. Okay, well, let's go check out the new adventure. Let's see, where's the new adventure? Where is it? What? It's not here yet. Okay. So,
yes, it is. It's just you haven't unlocked it yet. It's the Great Escape and Greely's Inferno. I think in the search for Greely.
In the search of Greely. Okay, guys, let's go check. Let's go oh, hold on. Let's check out the kangaroos. They might be in the diamond shop. Wait, what? They cost diamonds? Oh, look at that. So cute. Oh my gosh. What? What the what AHQ did not say. I read it before and it did not say they were in the diamond shop. And I don't know. Are the meerkats here? No. Yet.
That's because it's in those membership cards that you can get from Walmart and stuff.
Okay, let's go to my friend Bubbles. Okay. Oh my gosh, come on, hurry up. Guys, I will be back. Bubbles. Say hi, I am making a video. Stacy. Oh yeah. So guys, you can search up Bubbles 886. I'll put it in the description below. Just in case, if you don't remember, I will put it there. So let's. Ooh, slushy maker, cool. Ooh, I got this. Let's see if any of the important people are on. Ooh, oh my. Guys, I have to do something. I'll be back. So guys, I am back, and sorry if you hear a noise. But, so cool because I'm at my bestie's den right now, just waiting for her. She has one of these cool machines. I'm getting grape. Yeah, this grape. No, I want a grape to come in the middle. Come on, grape. Come. It won't come in the middle. No, what did I get? Okay, guys, but we're waiting on her. Wow, she has a falcon, an Arctic fox, a pig, a hyena, a sloth, and a lynx. Those are all trophies. The sloth, to be honest, the sloth is the biggest trophy. Oh, so cute. these stems I think I heard were going away, so like I can't go on the farm. Oh, I have to go back. She earned these from AJHQ. Like what? So while we wait, I think I'm going to make another masterpiece. So let's make another masterpiece. I'll be back once I have my background. So guys, I have my background. It's pretty pink. So let's get started. So let's grab this. Let's put it in medium. Let's see what color. Ooh, so super pretty. Let's keep on working ourselves. Let's keep on giving cute colors. Okay, let's see. I need my purple. Okay, let's see. This is like the purple. A purple, I guess. Is it? Yes. Okay, so let's just keep on coloring it. Color. Let's change back to this, just to give it a little bit more flair. And let's change back to this like pretty pink. That's the eye. Let's add some of the whites to give it a little bit like flair. Ooh, so